Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to find the mode within an array inside Python. So how we can do that? First we need to import certain library, and that is the SciPy library and its module, that is the states module. So how we can import that one? We can write from SciPy import states. Now SciPy is our main library and states is the submodule or sub library of this SciPy main library. So now we can use it to find mode for our array. And what is the mode? Mode is actually the value which used to occur for like maximum time, which used to occur maximum time in a string of integers. Like in an array, if there are a lot of values, so if any value used to repeat a lot of time, then we can say that it is the mode value. So we can write here like array or 80000. This is just a variable. You can write anything instead of this. Okay, so we can write 12 comma 13 comma 22. Then we will write 12, then 34 again, then 12, and then 67 again, 90, and all this. So now you can see that 12 is the value which occur for multiple, and yeah, you can see it used to occur multiple times. Okay, because it used to occur for maximum, okay, for maximum time. So now we need to do, we can write mode where, this is also a variable. Okay, mode where, so we can write states dot mode of array 00. So now what mode function will do? Mode function will inspect this whole array 00. And what is array 00? All these values. Okay, all these list values or array values. So it will do all this. You are not supposed to write any like random function. It will just find the mode value for you, like 12, 12, 12, and 12. Okay, so it will search that which value used to occur for most of the time. Okay, so mode value. Okay, so now print mode var. Okay, so the mode value, after it used to find this the mode value, it will pass it to mode where, and then print mode where function will print the value on the console. So we will run it out. So we can see that our 12 is our mode value and it used to occur for 3 times. Okay, now if there is a value like we can say like if we used to insert 90, 90, 90, and here also 90, and now 90 used to occur for 4 times. So now you can see our mode becomes 90 and it used to occur for 4 times. So in this way we can find the mode. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to find the mode of an array within the PyCharm Python. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.